Hello, Chef here. I'm marinating some chicken today. The first thing I'm going to do is show you how to make a quick marinade. I'm going to be starting with garlic, fresh garlic, lots of garlic here. Goes good with chicken for sure. And I'm going to take this garlic and just give it a smash with my Porsche knife here, just like this. Okay, now the garlic just gets chopped up really quick, just kind of a rough chop. We're not looking for any specific size here. It's just going to be used for the marinade. Okay, just like this. All right, next ingredient, of course, cheap beer. We'll be putting in about half this bottle of beer. Well, it's cheap. We'll put the whole bottle of beer right in there, okay? Now, the next thing we've got is a variety of spices. So I'm going to be starting off with cilantro and basil, half a teaspoon of each. Oh yeah, Cajun spices, 1 tablespoon, cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon, salt, teaspoon, a splash of olive oil. Just going to give it a little stir like this. Oh yeah, it's foaming up. Looks good. Wow, huge chicken breast. This chicken breast weighs almost a pound. I'm going to remove the fat. Okay, just like that. We don't want to eat that fat. And I'm going to remove the tough sinew from the inside of the chicken breast. This knife is really nice. It gets right in there. The point. Had a really nice point to it. Okay, just like this. Get all that stuff out of there. You can save these scraps for chicken stock if you like. And in French it's côtelette. Some cutlets. Okay, one of them is going to be like this. Okay, chicken cutlet. 2. 3. 4. Okay. Okay, to pound out the chicken breast, I'm using a piece of heavy plastic wrap right over the chicken, as well as yeah, the pounder is available at the sponsor right there. Real simple, easy to use. So just give a little tap and let them soak for at least a few hours. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. So this chicken has been marinating in beer and spices. If you want to see the recipe, just subscribe and pull up the recipe for this marinated chicken. So I got this chicken cutlet here. It's looking really good. I got a little bit of flour. Okay, I'm going to pan fry it. After I pan fry it, I'm going to be adding some of these roasted peppers. It's going to be good. Check it out at your sponsor. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Keep cooking. There. Very cool. I love the air pockets in the blade. It's a very cool handle. The little metal dimple here is supposed to tell you when to stop. You can really close your eyes and kind of hold this knife in your hand, and it's very comfortable. and you know where to stop your hand. So it's cool. Micro serration, wow. It's like a razor. One side only. The other side is basically smooth. Those are tough little teeth. I do believe this will go through any cheese. Hard cheese, soft cheese, you name it. Very cool. You pair it up, of course, with a little cheese block. Put your cheese on there, you're good to go. Or a cheese board. Whatever suits your fancy, whatever you like. This is available with magnetic option as well. So there's a lot of different things you can do. Just check out the sponsor and you'll find some of this stuff. Big blocks, small blocks, all kinds of stuff. Anyway, that's the cheese knife. I like it. Very nice. And watch the other videos. You might find us cutting cheese with this. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And as usual, keep cooking. Please visit your sponsor. Like, share, subscribe. Have a beautiful day.